Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm testing Bartoline Creocote on my new garden build. This stuff's meant to replace the old school creosote, but it absolutely stinks and it's covered in warnings, so I wanted to see if it's actually any good. So creocote is a very good wood preservative, but there are a few things that you need to know before you use this, and I'm going to share these with you now. Number one is of course the smell. In this clip I'm wearing a proper 3M respirator, the kind of thing you'd use for spray painting cars, and you can still smell, in fact I could taste the creocote through the mask. It absolutely stinks. Number two, I've never seen a list of health warnings as big as the one on the back of creocote. You definitely don't want to get this on your skin or anywhere near your plants or pets, and avoid breathing it in at all times. Another issue that I ran into is that it's really thin. It's like a very runny consistency, and you do tend to get a lot of drips. And I know it looks crazy in the video. I've actually mounted a paint roller onto a broom handle and I'm rolling it on, then using a brush to follow it up. Of course, the original creosote is no longer sold to the general public, as it was banned for domestic use in the early 2000s. This isn't exactly the same product, but it's designed as a safer alternative with a similar look and purpose. Check out the links in the description. What I do like about creocote though is the way it absorbs into the wood. 2 coats of creocote gives you around 5 years of protection, and it costs around £12 for 4 litres. Best of all though, it gives your wood a rustic natural finish. The creocote really brings out all the natural grains and knots in the wood, leaving you with a really nice finish. As you can see, check out the final results. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see me build this garden project from scratch, hit that subscribe button. I'll get the video out as soon as I can, and I'll see you in the next one.